To subscribe our channel, click on the subscribe button and click on the bell button to get the latest video notifications.
No, I'm not a writer.
Okay.
Hello guys, welcome to Logitech TV, and today we are going to unbox the K230 Logitech wireless keyboard. So this keyboard cost 899 rupees on Amazon.in, and I think you will get the same on Flipkart as well. So this is basically a normal wireless keyboard, but the size is quite small. So let's unbox this and let's see what's inside the box. So inside the box you have this keyboard. Let's keep this aside. Some documentation, and you have these two covers as well. So here is the keyboard. Looks quite compact, and here is the Unify adapter. As you can see, this is a Unify adapter, which means you can connect a Unify Logitech mouse as well with only this adapter, and both the keyboard and mouse will work with a single adapter. And you have this battery cover as well, and you can change it according to your preference. That's it. So this is the keyboard, this is how it looks. And you also have the keyboard razor, I would say. The only issue I can see with this keyboard is that there is no space here, so you can by mistake enter the keys, and this key is quite small as well. But if you're not a gamer, then it should not bother you much. So let's try to connect this one with the laptop and let's see how it works. So let's connect this keyboard, and just to add, this battery comes with this keyboard, so you don't have to buy it separately. So let's see how it is working. So you can see that side. This is, so yeah, you can see by mistake you. So let's test this. So yeah, it's working quite fine, and the keys noise are quite less as well, as you can see. These keys. So yeah, this was the quick overview of this Logitech K230. So if you have any questions, just comment below and I'll try to answer that. And the link to buy this keyboard is in the description as well. So guys, see you in my next video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.